Established to cater to the fabrication needs of the HVAC industry, Leminar Air Conditioning Industries today manufactures sheet metal and pre-insulated aluminium products to meet the needs of the HVAC contractor. Leminar is one of the most comprehensive fabrication shops in the UAE.
At Leminar, our business is centered around our values. There are 6 core values that we operate in. The first being excellence. We believe in order to deliver a superior product or service to the customer, we need to pursue excellence in all fields, not only in the major areas, but also in the minor details. Transparency. This is a core philosophy running throughout the organization. We believe that if we want to gain the trust and faith of our principals, our suppliers, our employees, our shareholders, and our colleagues, we need to be as transparent as we can. Compassion. The majority of our employees have traveled afar to come to Dubai. We realize that if they want to make Dubai a home, we need to be compassionate towards their needs. Honesty. Honesty and ethics are a critical value in our organizations. Without this, the fundamental base of the organization will be destroyed. Empowerment. If we need to grow, if we need to provide a superior product and service to our customer, we must empower our employees to do better and to have the ability to make decisions. And of course, last but not least, discipline. We're in the business of meeting and beating deadlines. And in order to do this, we need to be disciplined in our approach. There is no better place to work at than Leminar. There is no better place to do business with than Leminar.
With its fully automated shearing and bending machines, as well as CNC plasma profile cutting machines among others, Leminar is outfitted to handle the most demanding of delivery schedules while still maintaining its high standards. Trained technicians along with qualified engineers enable Leminar to fabricate its products with a high degree of precision and accuracy using high-quality raw materials. Leminar has licensing agreements with Cipro SA of Switzerland to produce round ducting, Galloway Acoustics to produce silencers, Fenland Fire Ducts of the UK to produce fire-rated ductwork, and ALP Italy to fabricate pre-insulated aluminium panels.